I'm still recording now. We're gonna do it. Let's use a different code though. Because we don't. I know there are many people who watch me, but
Yeah,
yeah.
let's
You're actually really nice.
Tree 55. Like, I don't know, 13, 14. Enough to fill a lobby at least, so. What that? Yeah, Tree 55. I mean, I don't post much, but last time I posted a lot, I think I got like shadow banned or something. Let's that was on TikTok. I posted like six, 7 videos in one day, or within an hour, because I like, save videos and it will send them all out at once or something. So that's like, I feel like I'd prefer that. Like, yeah, but then again, gaining subscribers is also hard since and people like me are picky on who they subscribe. I just do what I do. Like, hopefully it's. that's just like. Isn't that just most skits though? They're meant to be cringy. Alright, well, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for you in Tree 55. Do I start Tree, Tree, Tree 55. I went through this phase of just naming everything Tree. I didn't know what to do, so I just kept naming everything Tree. My Minecraft world's Tree. I actually made like a whole Minecraft server called The Tree, which obviously wasn't public, because I couldn't trust people in it. You in Tree 55? Oh, well, no you're not. Did I spell it wrong? TREE 55. You put a 4. Wait. Oh, we should probably friend each other. Not really. We should friend each other. How? I added you friend. So my friend said. Oh. Oh god. Hold on, some issues coming on with my controller. The thing that covers up your battery has just came off randomly. Good, you don't really need it in this game. What? You can reset a controller? Wait, what? Why is it 2 plungers in your in the bag? Alright, well, I'm gonna hope that stuff doesn't despawn, because I'm a unless you want them, they're in this whole thing. Gold pickaxe. Hell yeah. Huh. Probably. Is there like a storage bit where I can put this? And I'm scared to lose this, so I can't get any of this. It's gonna be a while until I can. How many explosives? Oh, I got one. Wait, am I safe in here? I'm not gonna trust that. Okay, I'm still staying back here. As soon as you die, run and grab it. I'm doing send me a bag. just to duplicate the bag again, just in case we die, we have a spare bag. Or we can sell it. How much does it sell for? Damn, this bag looks cool. Oh, there's a snake on it. That's cool, because it's Year of the Snake, Chinese New Year. Yeah, it's here. See me with the bag, with your bag. Oh, first try, I'll take that. Also, I sold the 2 Pollingers. Alright, good. Alright, well, I'm gonna see what else you have in your bag. Alright. What do we do? So, I'm gonna put out my bag. I'll take the pickaxe. Is that like a storage? Is there a storage? Oh, well, I can put this. Is there anything else you want? Or am I just gonna sell it since I can't really put this anywhere? So there's no storage area where we can put this and get it like once we're back. Right, I'm gonna sell everything here. So if you don't want it, or if you want it, tell me. Everything's here. I already have one. So unless you want the umbrella. I know it is. I might have to make parts since I can only like get like 10-minute videos. It doesn't let me upload anymore. Well, not upload, but it doesn't let me download on my phone. Yeah, except for I don't really have any ideas. Like what? Alright, what do I do with all this stuff? Is there anything I don't... Ow, stop it. Stop it. Alright, but is there anything I don't need? Can you stop? I'm almost dead. No, it's not fine. Alright, what do I... Alright, so pickaxe. Stop it, I'm almost dead. Alright, now I'm like really heavy. Jesus Christ! Killed me! Maybe you shouldn't have killed me. My God. And you say, oh yeah, don't smack you a couple times. Right. I might. Yeah, I won't use the grapple, I'll take it. Spare pickaxe. Boom. And a light. There we go. Wait, does stuff despawn, or can I just like keep this bag here since I'm definitely gonna die? Okay. They show like a storage area. Oh, they're actually planning on it. I didn't know that. Yeah. So, or like, no, like, yeah, it's like in the VR. You like go in, you go into the VR thing. Also, there's still a grappler here. You want it? Actually, I'm gonna put this in my bag, so it might come in handy later on. Actually, hold on. I have my stuff organized. I'm keeping my stuff organized, making it so. I'm still back at. I'm already stopped recording.